Hey there everyone, welcome back to this lesson. So we have 37 squared here and I'm going to be showing you how to solve this in this simple and very easy step or trick. So we take our first digit, which is 3, and take the square of 3. So we get 9. We write 9 here. Now we take the second digit, which is 7. We take the square of 7 and we get 49. So we combine 49 with 9. Now what do we do next? We can now multiply this by this and all by the exponent. So what I basically mean is 3 times 7 gives us 21, multiplying 2, which gives us 42. So we write 42 and add a 0 to the end and sum it all up. 9 plus 0 is 9, 4 plus 2 is 6, 9 plus 4 is 13. So we can conclude that 37 squared is nothing else but 1369. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next one. Bye bye.